at it.
How's it
I'm
flowing?
making use
Okay,
out of it.
it is nice. Hey, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use this 9-volt battery doing little projects. With this 9-volt battery and this wire, you get it in any electrical shop. It costs around 25 bucks, 25 rupees. So along with this, you get this for 5 rupees. So you have to just pin this both together. That's done. Now the output wire, you have the red here and the black here. So red means positive, black means negative. Okay, now let's see what are the projects we can do with this battery and this. Okay, before we start this project, first thing we should learn not to touch both together. So if you're doing like this, the battery will discharge very fast. If you hold this together for 1 minute, this battery is drained completely. So you should never do this and never touch both in your tongue, which is not advisable. You might feel some electrical shock if you're going to do both, put both wire into your mouth. Okay, if you're not doing that, it's always safe and we can go ahead proceed our project. So first thing that we're going to do is how to connect a buzzer. This buzzer you will again get it in any electrical shop or in bike spare part shops also. You will get this because this sound buzzer, they use it for bike indicator. So in case you're not getting this in your electrical shop, you can always try in your bike spare part shop. Okay, so with this I'm going to connect the black wire of this and the black wire of the battery together. You know how to do it. Twist it like this. Okay, so once you have done that, and if you have any tape or something, it's better tape it, otherwise leave it like this. Now so circuit is closed, you have the both end like this. Okay, now if I touch this, what happens? Sound, you can hear the sound, right? What can we do with this? With this one buzzer and this one, you can do multiple of projects. Okay, one such project that I'm going to show you now is to, you can use this to test any continuity of wire. What is continuity of wire? Okay, I'll show you this. You take any wire like this. Okay, you want to see whether this wire is good or bad. It's not working properly. So I'm going to hold one end of this wire to this hand, the other one I'm going to touch here. So which means this wire is good. So current is passing, positive charge is passing through this wire, and it is reaching this end, and so the buzzer is ringing. So I'll show you another example. I have a wire here, again the same type of wire, jumper wire. This wire I'm going to test it. Okay, I'm going to put it's a female wire, so I'm going to put this into this. Okay, and I'm going to hold the other part of this too here. Okay, see, it's not working. So which means this wire is has some leakage, some disconnection. So this wire has some disconnection, so this wire can be thrown off. Especially when we are working with microcontrollers, this jumper wires, mainly they don't sometimes they don't work and we start breaking our head. For that, this continuity is very very important. So we have done this, and so with this buzzer we can also do one more project. Okay, you know what is this? Let me take a close view to you. Let me have a close view. Oh, can you see this? This is LDR, light dependent resistor. It has two terminals just like the buzzer. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect one end of this to this and the other end of this to this, and let's see what is going to happen. Okay, we have done now. Okay, now this buzzer is, like I said, light dependent resistor. So I have a light here, so when light is falling here, it is giving you sound. Okay, I'm going to just make it dark. See, the sound is dropped. Now if I increase the dark light, sound increases. Okay, let me test this with a torch light. Okay, I'm going to use a torch light here. Let's see, flashing a torch light increases the sound. Can you see this? And can you see this? The sound is increased when light falls on it. So you can think about where to use this kind of a sensor. Okay, and look at it, I'm making music out of it. What if I connect one or two more like this, two more buzzers, and make different sounds like this? Try all this like a keyboard. Okay, that's one. So this is light dependent. I can also remove this buzzer and have this LED instead of a buzzer. How do I do that? Now I connect the one part of the batteries to a 1 kilo ohms resistance. This resistance you'll get it in any electronic shops nearby your any electrical shop. You will get this 1k resistance because you are using 9 volt battery, and this LED will need only 3 volt. If you are supplying 9 volt, this LED bulb will get fused. Okay, so I'm going to connect this like this. Let's say first let's connect it like this. Okay, before we connect, we should understand that the LED has two terminals, the bigger one, the shorter terminal. The bigger one represent positive, the smaller one represent negative. Okay, so I'm going to hold this positive here to this terminal, and resistance here. Okay, can you see this? How's it? How's it blowing? Okay, this is nice. Now it's time that you power up your projects. You can have different colors, and you can use 1k resistance and start playing with your LED. Okay, now we have done resistance LED. Now where else can you use this? Can we use this as a burglar? Yeah. Okay, there's somebody calling me. I can hear the calling bell. I'll get back to you.